have. We know to jump over there. We know to jump over there and support.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So you see how, like, if you look behind you,
Oh
there are
yeah.
now is a now another
Oh
row
wow.
of seats
Okay.
and
Okay, that's
desks
what's up.
Mm.
that
Okay.
has
Filling up.
shown up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. All right. So we still got 3 minutes.
Okay. So are
Let's
you
see.
sharing
Let's
your screen through over there?
no. I'm sharing my. So I've got my computer that I'm going to be working on. That's at my desk over there. Then I've got another computer that's as my bot that
Hmm.
is recording the session.
So you got like a flicker or something, or that you gonna like a slideshow? What is it like?
Oh no, actually, so this is going to be. So first of all, the goal of this class, I'm not just going to lecture.
Okay, it's
Each
not
one of
lecture.
you, have a WordPress website, and you have a WordPress website that has um, a premium plugin, and premium theme, and you have free hosting. And once you have set your website up, you'll be able to connect the domain to it and all sorts of stuff. So we're going to, in this session, we're going to get you all connected to your site. And
Okay.
I'm prepared to do that. So this is actually my goals for this session. So we're going to send all of you your information pages. After each one of you have but it's going to be first. I got to see who comes, but I have it prepared for you, and we're just going to go one by one, and it's going to just show on the screen. But then after that, I'm going to show 3 videos, and then we're going to I'll do it like a demonstration. So I have a site that's starting out in the same position that all of yours is, and I'll use mine to demonstrate, but you'll all use yours to follow along.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then the way I envision this working is that throughout the week, you'll work on building your business website, and you'll run into challenges. You'll have questions. You'll collect those
Yeah.
questions. And then maybe through the group on Instagram and whatnot, we'll prepare for you to present those in the class. And each person can share your screens. And so everyone can learn from each other, and I'll kind of be the guide. And what I want to do is have each of you walk away with a very powerful professional business website. And so the tools that I prepared to introduce you to will take you along that path. And the approach that I plan on taking you will get you there regardless of where you're starting at on your WordPress journey. Okay. So
Mm.
we've got another person that just joined. It's now 3 o'clock. Oh, wait, 3 o'clock for me, 6 o'clock for some of you, whatever for somewhere else. But let's go ahead and begin.